I'm Andrew Ostrowski, Director of Culinary with Middleby Marshall and host of Feed the Beast. For more information on those videos, check us out at middlebymarshall.com/Feed the Beast and like and subscribe. So today, we're going to break down the whole chicken wing. Basically trying to give you guys a way to maximize the whole flavor of this wing. It's a great piece to start with, and it's also a cost-conscious decision. But there's a few things that'll make this much easier for you. First off, let's break down the two parts of the whole wing itself. Here we have the drum. Everyone's familiar with it. It's repetitive on the bird. The second part of it is the flat, and this also contains the tip. Generally, when you see these separated, it's not going to contain the tip, but I'm a big fan of this. It adds a little bit of that actual chicken skin fat, gives some more rendering, and gives you a little handle to bite that wing with. So as you can see, you want to make sure your chicken is nice and relaxed. Stretch them out, because what that's going to do is it's going to expose a clean cut for you. You want to make sure you're never cutting through bone when you're splitting chicken breasts. There is a cartilage and a gap that allows you to slice right through, therefore creating a clean cut. What this will also do is it won't expose the blood vessel that's in that bone and sometimes create a little bit of undercooked look. So it's kind of killing two birds with one stone. Next I have a prepared tray here because it's very important for when your chicken goes on. You want to make sure that it's dry as possible. So I'm going to let it rest on the rack until I'm ready to cook it. What I'm also going to do is give it just a little bit of a blanket and let it take a nap underneath that, take some of the moisture off. Big importance in dealing with chicken is that the crispiness and the texture of that is really going to rely on how dry it is when it goes into the oven itself. We also want to be sure that we're not seasoning it too far ahead of time, which is going to release the moisture in the chicken and therefore dry it out through the cooking process. As I continue to cook these, I'll separate them, dry them on this rack, place them in the lower level of your refrigerator, because not only at Partstown but at Middleby, safety is our #1 concern. As I break all these chicken wings down and allow them to dry, now if I'm either frying at 350 degrees in an open pot fryer, roasting them at 450 degrees in a convection or deck oven, or using something like the CTX platform at a higher temperature, 700, 800 degrees to really roast those, you're ready to rock and you're going to get that crispy skin that you're really looking for in a chicken wing.